Georgia, man.
Hey everybody, so I'm at the park with little one and I just felt like talk to you guys. So I'm going to make today's channel kind of like a vlog, but we're at the park today. New scenery. He is sliding down the slide and having a blast right now. I really hope everybody's Thanksgiving was amazing. Mine was. It was my first Thanksgiving cooking by myself, y'all, and I did that. Everybody enjoyed the food. But I've been sick, like since the day before Thanksgiving. I've been sick as a dog and it sucks. So I just decided today to get out the house and try to shake being sick off. My mom used to always tell me when you don't act sick is when you start to feel better. So I brought little one to the park today. So let me let y'all see him. He's having a blast. I brought him to the park today. My sisters took him to the park the day before yesterday. So we're gonna let him burn some of this energy, and I'm gonna put the tree up, y'all, because he's been asking me about the Christmas tree since this summer, to be honest. So I'm gonna put it up and then wake him up and see what his reaction is like. But until then, we're gonna play at the park. So we will see y'all at the house. She's fishing. Did you see fish?